folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It's the Nautilus CC Plus. This is the Dolphin. This is the pool vacuum to beat. It's a robot that will map out your pool every single time you use it. This thing plugs in so you don't have to worry about charging a battery, and a battery that maybe doesn't last for your entire pool. It's going to be great for up to like a 50-foot pool, and this thing is going to scrub even the walls. It's got a tank bottom to where you don't have to worry about it getting stuck under there. This thing has treads, and it has 2 big suction ports to clean this out. You're absolutely gonna love it. So folks, let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. First folks, I wanna show you how fast this thing is across your pool. It's pretty quick, and it's going to detect things like edges and things of the sort. So it's a smart robot vacuum that's going to do a great job of mapping inside and outside of your pool. All right, let's go ahead and put it in and give it a shot to work. All right, folks, let's go ahead and drop her into the water and let her get to work. Now, it's going to be fairly hard to see operate, but it's just going to drive across the bottom of your pool like any type of robot vacuum, and it's going to go left and right, back and forth, and get the pool super clean. All right, folks, so you can see it moving across the bottom of the pool. Now, when you first get this, if you press the power button on, it will take 5 seconds, and then it'll just start auto cleaning your pool, which is really, really nice. Now, on top of that, let me show you the device here. We should keep this about 10 feet away from the pool. If you go ahead and press the select button, you can select the cycles of how many times a week you want this thing cleaning. So you can just have it auto come on several times a week. Now, I like to drop it in, just wait 5 seconds and let it start cleaning. It will clean up the sides of your pool as it's doing right now, and then it'll drive back down like it is, go to the other side of the pool, and it maps out your pool on every single time you start. All right, folks, now stick around for the up-close portion of the video. The big thing is, you notice there's no dirt and debris on the bottom of my pool? That's because this thing really works. All right, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. Folks, now is time for the up-close portion of the video. It's the Nautilus CC Plus. This is a prime and ready robot vacuum that's going to make a world of difference in your pool life. Now, some things that are fantastic about it, obviously, the fact that it's got this extra long cable in here. You never have to worry about charging it. Who else is tired of a battery-powered robot vacuum that just doesn't cut the mustard? The battery-powered ones, for me, just don't do it sometimes. If you have a bigger pool, you got a 50-foot pool, you need this. This is fantastic. Now, when you're looking for a pool vacuum, you're gonna want this design, right? If it's got wheels, just like 3 wheels some of them have, it's gonna get stuck. It's gonna get stuck over the little bumps and obstacles in your pool. You have to go into the pool and fish it out. Not this. It's got like a tank tread design, and this is going to help get all the dirt and debris. It's going to help it suck up against the wall and do your walls. Also, you've got your inputs here for 2 big inputs of suction and getting all the dirt and debris out. That dirt and debris is, of course, spit out of the vacuum cleaner to where you never have to worry about it, and that's fantastic as well. Got a nice handle here that's sturdy, and this piano finish is just beautiful, right? Who doesn't like the beautiful blue and black finish of the Dolphin? It's a robotic pool cleaner, and this thing is ultra powerful. Now, when you plug it in, it's nice to know that it's got all the stuff you need right here included. Okay, I'm talking the quick start guide, the FAQs, what are the plastic wrappers around the climbing wheels, etc., etc. Just simple stuff. Should I remove styrofoam from the motor unit, etc., etc. Stuff you may just kind of experience when using this, and if you don't know, it's got a great FAQ. It's got instructions in English and with diagrams in color. And then on top of all of that, keep this about 10 feet away. This, from the edge of the pool, this is actually your power unit to where you can control it remotely. Actually goes like that, sits on the ground just like that. And you can have this hooked right in ready to go whenever you need it. So folks, the company, Maytronics, the Nautilus Plus is the best robot pool vacuum on the market. You're gonna wanna pick this up. Don't you dare miss it, folks. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This thing is easy to use, easy to set up, and you know what? It's fantastic. All right, now there's also, they've just done a great job with safety to make sure everything is grounded and you don't have to worry about shock and things like that. I know that's a concern for all of you. It is not an issue. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Let me see if I can get everything in one photo here. Look at that. Move this out of the way. Yeah, go ahead and pick it up. I'm gonna bring it up to the camera so you can see it one more time. So you can see everything about it. The great stylish design. The rubberized feet. This is like a tread. It's like a tank. This thing is absolutely fantastic. You're gonna suck up the dirt, the debris, and you're going to absolutely love-it. All right, thanks again for watching. Pick yours up, you won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. There's where you're gonna catch all of your dirt and debris. How fantastic is that? Adios, amigos.